All right, let's unbox some shit. I honestly don't even remember what I bought. Amazon addiction is real. It's real. It's real. All right, first box. Yeah. Okay. I don't even remember what I buy sometimes. All right, it is a pair of leggings in this chocolate brown color because I feel like finding leggings or sports wear per se in dark jewel tones is very difficult, and I do not wear pastels. I do not wear bright colors, and so whenever I find something that is a dark toned workout wear, I will fucking buy it. Yeah. This is the gym, people. I own these in like 12 different jewel tones. You already know that. Oh, what a shocker. Another pair of the exact same leggings in a different color. The fucking struggle to open that bag was real. Okay, what color do we have here? Of course, we have a beautiful green because I'm obsessed with green as well. Next thing, it is my and she shanks herself with the scissors. Could you imagine? I have done it once. I swear to God, there's a scar right there from it. I did stab myself while opening a peanut box when I was in college because, you know, it's me. Would you expect anything less? So these are a probiotic, prebiotic that I found on Amazon. They are called, fucking Jesus, can't open the package. They are called Seed, and I bought them and I really like them. So they contain, like I said, a probiotic and a prebiotic, so you don't have to take two different supplements, which I love because I'm lazy and I just want to take my fucking vitamins in peace and have it be fast. Box number 2. Dun, 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 dun. Are you eagerly awaiting? Okay. Oh, it's a sweater. Impulse buying on Amazon is real. Once again, guess what color the sweater is in? The chocolate brown. I own this sweater in guess what color? Green. And I'm obsessed with it. It's like the perfect kind of over the shoulder sweater. I will post a video of me wearing the sweater after this. It's amazing. I saw that it was in this color, ran to got it. Got it, to get it, to buy it, to purchase it. Yes. All right, what else do we got in box number 2? Jesus Christ. Okay, 1, 2. And these things go together. Can you guess what they are? I love matcha, and I decided to get a few things for my matcha set. Yeah, sure, my matcha. See, it's back there on that shelf. So I got a new bamboo whisk. This is a kit that all of this comes together. I just thought it was so great, and it was only $15. So if you were someone who was looking to start drinking matcha, I would highly recommend this kit. So it comes with a whisk. It comes with a little pod to put your whisk on. It comes with a tiny little sieve. How cute is this? And it's got a wooden handle. And then we have a wooden spoon to mix it with, and then the spoon to take your matcha out. This entire kit's like $15 fucking dollars. Don't pass that shit up. Now, this was not included with the kit. This is separate, but I mean, I needed this as soon as I saw it. Where did I find this? On TikTok. This is a glass, so chaotic, matcha bowl to go with my kit. Super fucking aesthetic for all of my videos. And I don't know about you, but when I do videos, I like to see what the people are making. And so I love so much. This was $15. So the entire kit that I purchased was about $30, which is actually really reasonably priced. We're going to get through this. And last but most certainly not least is not from Amazon. It's actually from a small business that I found on, guess where? TikTok. And then I followed them on Instagram because I went on their website, and I'm a Pilates instructor, and the thing I always need are a good pair of grip socks. And I love you, Amazon, and I've gotten some pretty good ones, but I want to be able to support small local businesses in the Pilates community rather than purchasing my stuff off of Amazon all of the time. And so I found these adorable leggings, grip socks from this brand called Opal Active. And so let's like unbox them together because it's so cute. So I got a pair of white grip socks and I got a pair of red. I also love red. And I'm excited about these because they're supposed to be like slouchy grip socks, if that makes sense, which I'm all about the slouchy, like bring back the 90s. I'm here fucking for it. And this right here is why you should buy from small businesses rather than Amazon, even though I understand how I just unboxed a whole bunch of Amazon stuff. But when you can, support small businesses, because Amazon's not going to send you a fucking letter in anything that you buy from them, thanking you for your support and signing it, Courtney, who is the CEO of this brand, which is Opal Active. And I'm going to link them in this video, so go check them out. Each of the grip socks were $22, which are really, what is happening today? Really reasonably priced. Cannot get out the R's. And they're higher quality than what you're going to find on Amazon. So I will be testing these out this week, and then I will let you know how they go. But I'm really excited. I need to find an alpha for this color because, like, yeah. And that is all that I have for you today, my friends. If you love these unboxing videos, let me know. The more you engage with my account, the better my account is going to be, because then I can curate everything I'm doing to what you want, what you need, and what you desire, rather than just listening to me come up here and talk, because I can talk to a fucking wall about anything. But I want to make sure that you are receiving value from this platform. So don't be afraid to say, hey, I'd love to see more videos like this, or I love your unboxing videos. Could you do a few more of those? Or show me some recipes. Like, I'm here for it. Although I'm going to be honest with you, if you don't know this about me, I was a pastry chef for like 6 years in DC. I opened, how many open restaurants? I think I opened three, maybe 4. I can't remember off the top of my head. I hate writing fucking recipes, people. I get it. I know you want them, but it is the bane of my existence. But after writing recipes for so many years, I just can't. And I would, if I could, I would start a blog, and I would give Martha fucking Stewart a run for her money. But I'm lazy. I like to cook, and I like you to watch me cook, but I don't like having to do work when it comes to cooking. I burnt out really bad when I was a pastry chef. After I opened my, the last restaurant that I opened, that's a whole other story for another day. And literally it took me years to even start like cooking and baking again. And I don't nearly bake as much as I used to. And so I just don't like to write recipes. The most recipes you'll get is on the videos telling you kind of what's in what, but I love you all so much. You're going to have to kind of figure it out by watching me until I can eventually one day hire someone to write recipes. You want me to hire someone to write recipes? Engage with my account. It's a win-win for both of us.